Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to view and download your Steam Cloud saves. First, open your Steam app. Next, log into your account using your username and password. Click Steam in the top left corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings window, click the Cloud tab and make sure Enable Steam Cloud is checked. Now, go to your library and find the game you want to manage. Right-click on it and select Properties. In the General tab, ensure Steam Cloud is enabled for that game. Steam will automatically sync and download your latest save files as long as this feature is active. To view your cloud saves directly, type the following into your browser: https://store.steampowered.com/account/remote storage. This page shows all the data stored in your Steam Cloud, making it easy to locate and verify your saved files. And that is it. You have just learned how to view and download your Steam Cloud saves. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next video.